Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Thai red fish curry. So let's get started. I've got here 750 grams of fish fillets which I have rinsed and cut into pieces. You can use any type of fish for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, 4 cloves of grated garlic, 1 cup of fresh or frozen green beans, 1 medium onion which I have chopped, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of fresh or frozen thinly sliced red capsicum, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, half a cup of plain flour, some oil for cooking, and 1 cup of hot water. Take the fish fillets, add half a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. To fry the fish, place a fry pan on medium heat, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Lightly coat the fish fillets with the dry flour, place it in the fry pan with the skin side down and fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it over and cook it for a further 2 minutes and take it out on a plate. Repeat this with the remaining fish fillets. To make the curry, place a pot on medium heat, add about 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add onions, give it a mix and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add garlic and ginger. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add Thai red curry paste, mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. Add coconut milk, add water to the jug that had coconut milk, mix it and add it to the curry. Add lemon juice, fish sauce, sugar, capsicum, and green beans. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it once or twice during cooking. After 5 minutes, add fish, mix it gently, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap, lower the heat and simmer it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. Add salt according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. My Thai red fish curry is ready and you can make it and serve it with some steamed rice, roti, puris or toast. Leftover curry can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.